Paying my mortgage, setting my budget. What are you doing, feller?
Why you just said that?
We've been over this. Casual Friday is on Friday. This is giving destitute gas station rejects. Well, I ain't gotta stress about those high bills no more. I went and got myself a trailer. All the money I save, I can spend on apples and kiddie pools from the dollar store that, I can soak my feet in after I take my Crocs off after a hard day's work.
Apple?
Bush apple? You never heard of bush apple. Drink responsibly.
Well, I'm sure there's benefits to living in a mobile home, but it can't possibly be better than owning a brick and mortar house.
Okay, Mr. Big Britches City Slicker, how about we parlay whether trailers are good or not?
We're in Johnstown, PA. Calling me a city slicker is like calling a recently divorced man the king of his mother's couch. However, I accept your challenge. Let me do some research, and I'll meet you in the conference room in an hour.
2 hours later.
Where have you been?
Sorry, Dallas Cowboys were playing the Eagles. I can't miss that.
Okay, hit me with your best shot.
Now, just so we're clear, my eyes are up here, not down there. So to start this off, trailers, more affordable than a traditional house. My trailer, I only pay $580 a month, where your mortgage costs you what? $1,200?
$1,540. Okay, sure. Mobile homes are generally cheaper than regular houses, but there's a lot of costs that you're just not considering. The biggest one, lot rent. If you own a mobile home, but not the ground underneath it, you could be paying anywhere from $200 to $800 extra dollars a month, depending where the park's located.
Mine is only $350, which is still less than your mortgage.
Yeah. Well, recently private equity has been buying up trailer parks and increasing lot rents at significant rates. Since the people that live in mobile home parks are generally poorer, they corner a market like a pod of orcas cornering a baby seal. It's possible in a few years' time, that rate could be $450 a month.
Okay then, I'll just move my mobile home. You can't do that with your precious brick and mortar house. You have a better chance of getting your girlfriend to leave Sephora without spending any money than moving that ranch across town.
Sure, go ahead. It only costs anywhere from $4,000 to $15,000 to move it. Depending on how far you move it, it could even be more. Now that's a lot of money to drop at once. And who knows, maybe the other parks have higher lot rent fees.
I'll have plenty of money to do that from all the money I've saved for not having an absurd mortgage. Oh, and the amount I save in property taxes. Trailers are generally assessed for a lesser value. So we pay, on average, 2/5 of what regular homeowners do for their taxes.
Now you keep talking about all this money that you're saving, but you aren't building any equity. You do know that mobile homes depreciate in value, right? Now if you buy that mobile home for $36,000 today, 15 years from now it could be worth like $12,000. My house, provided I maintain it, will likely increase in value. So save your money all you like. I'm building wealth.
Who's to say I'm not investing all my extra money into a Hoth NRA, like you told me, or a mutual fund thing, all right? Who's to say with that extra money, I don't buy extra properties and rent them out? Or I buy rare Labubus and sell them for thousands. Did you ever consider that? Just because I don't build equilibrium in property doesn't mean I can't build wealth.
A Hoth NRA? Is that the anti-gun control lobby for the ice planet in Star Wars? And it's equity, not equilibrium, which isn't great for your trailer trash bit here, considering it's a bigger word than equity. With that being said, you're right, Big Keith.
Excuse me, what are you saying? Are you saying my Budweiser-fueled decision-making proved superior to your traditional financial wisdom?
Yes.
Well, you heard it here first. I was right, and you were wrong.
It is objectively cheaper, on average, to live in a mobile home than a traditional home, just as the writers of the show decided to portray Big Keith as trailer trash, something that is completely out of character for him. There's a mischaracterization of those that live in mobile homes and their finances. Although yes, traditional homes tend to appreciate in value, are more durable, can provide for subjectively better living conditions, they can be expensive, and mobile homes are cheaper on average. However, not everyone that lives in trailers are trash. I know some people that live in mansions and they suck. Most people that live in mobile homes are hardworking people, trying to make ends meet. The honest to God's truth is, you could very well live in a mobile home. If you have a decent paying job, you could probably better afford your bills, have money left over for bapples, four-wheelers, and yes, definitely investing. If you're considering getting your motor revved up for investing, consider reaching out to Centennial Financial Group, LLC, today. Link in the description below.
Remember everyone, a bapple a day makes the ladies say hey. We'll see you next time.
Yeah, let's see the Crocs. Put them up on the yeah. Let him know. Let him know. Wait, now grab it. Grab the alligator and say, "You signed the baseball." Look at the camera. Let him know.
You know who signed this baseball? Just America's hero, Dale Earnhardt Jr. Just so we're clear.
Just so we're clear.
Remember everyone, a bapple a day keeps the ladies away.
Keeps the ladies. Not the ladies away. We want to.
What was it?
Say hey.
Let's okay.